Wait, can I do the eye thing? Okay, go. Tell me.
So using our Huda Beauty palette, we're gonna go with this with some Eden. I'm just going to apply this to her crease. And we've already primed her eyelids with the Essence Eye Base Primer. So next we're going to go in with Blazing, which is the orange shade at the very bottom here.
Or like I say, blazing.
Go into the crease. Beautiful, beautiful. I want a little bit more of orange. I'm just going to go back in, top it off. Beautiful thing. Just to further darken up that crease, now we're going to go in with Amber, which is this right here. Just want to focus on the outer corner of her eyes. That brown here. And then again. Just going to gradually get darker into base of each shade. Make sure everything is blended out nice. And then just mainly in the corner. This is called
O-U-D? Ode?
Ooh, because it's like, ooh, look at this color, like, ooh, yeah. This section keeps your skin a little bit of a green. So this is like the shades, and then you're just going to go over everything just to make sure it's all beautiful and blended. So using a concealer of your choice, this one is just the Maybelline Fit Me in shade Light 10. And a little brush here to carve out. I'm just gonna lighten up the area. I just use the back of my hand. I'm gonna do a little bit. You can also use the rest of the concealer, just like you're gonna clean it up after anyways, but just to really clean up this edge here. So you think the work of my finger to pat it all right. So once you have that, you're gonna go back into your Huda palette. You're gonna go back into that desert sand color shade here. I'm gonna like pack it on the area. So then we're going to continue on and we're going to go into Amethyst, which is this really, really, really pretty purple. We're going to start packing this on as well. In this other section. Beautiful. So the fun part, you're going to start going to these very pretty shimmery colors. So you're going to start with Twilight here. You're going to do a little switch with Max Fix Glass. I'm going to pack on.
Oh, I'm not sure.
So you're just going to do that purple and just going to make sure that like, those like glitter. You're just going to blend it up together here.
Voila, voila, you know?
This is the one that I talked about in my first impressions video. If you watch that, you'll watch that. Not that you can't with other parts, it just seems so much. Now the eyebrows are done. Bam! What do we use?
Oh, it's 2:02 a.m. What? It's 2:02 a.m.
We use this. This is a L'Oreal.
Brow Stylist Definers in brunette.
Mainly focusing on the eyes just to finish it off. We are going to conceal underneath the eyes.
Yeah, let's just leave it like this. It's a look. Look, it's a look. We're gonna blend it away. What that really hurt? Get away.
Once you blend out all that, then last but not least,
Try blazing. Really said blazing. She's gonna do her mascara. I'm gonna stab him.
and while she does that,
This is a combined makeup tutorial.
she's just in the back. I'm just gonna pop this
Beautiful.
golden. little bit of both today.
That's so dramatic.
A little bit on my nose.
Stop. I'm gonna just look at the sun.
Ako lang